Welcome to this quick tutorial on personalizing system labels in Curia to make the app truly your own. Today, we'll change the label Gallery to Plat. On the left-hand side navigation bar, click on Settings and then select System Labels. This section allows you to customize the first, second, and third tier container labels. It's important to enter both the singular and plural forms for each label. For our example, in the first tier container, we'll replace Gallery with Plat and its plural form Plats. Next, for the second tier, let's input Section and Sections. For the third tier, we'll use Group and Groups. After you've entered the new labels, click Save Changes. And just like that, you'll see that everywhere it previously said Gallery has now been updated to Plat. And that's all there is to it. You successfully customized the system labels in Curia to better reflect your unique terminology.